we assume this y is equal to this is f of x, this as g of x. Okay, so this is what actually I think I erased something. What is something before was there? Seventh question, right? Wait a minute, I have seventh question. It's there in my textbook. So seventh question, x to the power of log x. So this is x to the power of log x. So like two questions, you have two questions here. One is doing the first one differentiation. So the answer, final answer dy by dx equal to f dash x plus g dash x. Have you understood this step? Yes, right? Now we are doing for this f of x equal to log x to the power of x. So taking logarithm both sides, log f of x equal to log x to the power of x. So for this we are using log m to the power of n formula. You will get n log m. This is the formula we are using here, and therefore log f of x equal to x log x. Any questions? Have you understood this? So now you have to differentiate on the left side. Do you have to differentiate on the right side? So the left side differentiation is 1 divided by f of x. Because log is there, you will get 1 by into differentiation of this chain rule. That's why f dash x. This is the LHS differentiation. RHS, you have, this is u. This entire thing is v. So u equal to x, v equal to log x. So u dash equal to how much? 1. V dash equal to, because log is there, first thing you will get 1 by log x. This log x is this log x. Okay, into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, now you have to use the u dash v plus uv dash rule. U dash v is log x, because the other one is 1, plus uv dash x into 1 by log x into 1 by x. This is the v dash, this is the u. So this x gets cancelled. So what you have here is log x plus 1 by log x. So this is the RHS, this is the LHS. Okay. So the next page, have understood? Yes. So the next page will be f dash x divided by f of x equal to this one. Okay. f dash x divided by f of x equal to this. So you will have f dash x equal to f of x into log x plus 1 by log x. Okay. So this is what f dash x. So you can substitute f of x now, or you can substitute at the end also, not a problem. Got it, right? Understood. Okay. So now we have to go for the g of x, x to the power of log x. So take logarithm both sides. Log g of x equal to log x to the power of log x. So you will have log g of x equal to, this log x will come to the front. So you will have log x into log x. This is into. So you will get log x whole squared. So this side differentiation 1 by g of x into g dash x equal to, for this differentiation 2 log x, because 2 is there, will come by the power rule, multiplied by differentiation of this, you will have 1 by x. So g dash x equal to g of x into 2 log x divided by x. This is equation 2, and you have this your equation 1. This is equation 1. So you have to add these two to get the final answer. Okay. So 1 plus 2. The final answer dy by dx equal to 1 plus 2. So 1 is this, f of x into log x plus 1 by log x plus this one, x into 2 log x by x. So substitute, next step, whatever is f of x, substitute that, whatever is g of x, you substitute that. Okay. So that is the final answer. Understood, right? Substitute f of x. Okay. So let me take this to the next page. What's our f of x? F of x is nothing but log x to the power of x. This is x to the power of log x. So that's equal to log x to the power of x log x plus 1 by log x. I am writing the final answer, plus x to the power of log x into 2 log x divided by x. This is x. So this is the final answer. All right. This one, that's f of x. Go and look at the question. That's f of x. Now this is the problem. If you don't do right, if you don't do, then whatever each and every step of I do, you will have doubt. Okay. So now Eighth question. So eighth question, y is equal to sin x to the power of what is given? Tell me. Read the question. Sin x raised to sin inverse root x. So this is your f of x. This is your g of x. So steps are same. You have to write thing dy by dx equal to f dash x plus g dash x. F dash means differentiation of this, g dash means differentiation of this. So this is disturbing, so I just want this to be outside. Yeah. So now first one is f of x is this, so write down that. Tell me the steps. Sin x to the power of x. What is the next step? No, we need first this one. No, first find f dash x. What is that we need to do? What chapter we are in? What topic we are doing? What is this topic name? So that is that step called. What is that step called? Taking what? Taking log both sides. Yes, you tell me. I will not. Tell me what I have to do. Otherwise it will not go into your mind. Okay. Log both sides. So what I should write left side? Okay, log fx. What I should write right side? Log sin x to the power of x. Okay, what's the next step? Yes, you have to do the differentiation. So what is the differentiation of this left side? By fx. Yeah. Now it's finally vehicle moving. Yeah. Then here, no. First this fellow has to coming here. Tell me what I should write. No, before x log sin x. So which is u? Okay, now what's u dash? 1. What's v dash? 1 by sin x into, correct, into What's the differentiation of sin x?
see x cube in the question, sixth question. How do you do the differentiation there? So we'll go backward now. You got it right? If you can't move forward, you have to go backward. Do the question 5.361. You have done that already, isn't it? You have done or I have done? I don't know. Yeah, I am writing the formula, but still you are not able to. I am saying if you have x to the power of n, differentiation of x to the power of n, right? The formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. If you forget this formula, there is no point going any one single step in differentiation. Okay. Use this formula. Differentiation of x cube is what?
So you have done this many times, isn't it? Then if you say whatever you have done you have forgotten, how do we move forward? Now how much is the n here? Half. Apply the same formula. Half into x to the power of s. So this is how you will get this 2 will be written in the front and x to the power of minus half. You will get x to the power of minus half. Half minus 1 is minus half. This is g. This is the equation 2. Sorry, is this g dash x? Correct. Yeah. So what was the equation 1? This is the equation 1. So you have to add both these things. So the final answer dy by dx equal to f dash x. You write it later on, okay? I'm not writing that complete thing, okay? So f dash x plus g dash x. That will give you the final answer. Okay, now I think if you are forgetting like this, you will be rushing unnecessarily to complete the syllabus, but then at the end you will have a problem. Syllabus will be completed. Okay. Correct only, right? See, maths is entire maths is formula only. If we forget formula, we forget maths. Okay. So, how many questions? See, not even 4 questions we did today. Okay. So for me now, then I think it will be next Monday also it will take entire thing. Have you understood the concept? Tell me how we are doing. You just explain in your words. Let's suppose we take a question. Ninth question we do. Okay. You don't have to write it. Explain to me how do we do ninth question. Explain the steps. Correct. Wherever you see raised and then you have x in the power, right? Whenever x is there in the power, it can be x or sin x or log x in the power. You definitely have to take a logarithm first. So you will take log f of x equal to log x raised to sin x, correct? Then the sin x will come to the front by the logarithm rule. Sin x into log x, because sin x will come to the front and the log x will be there. We are using the logarithmic formula. Log m to the power of n equal to n log m. That one we use. Okay. Okay, now we have homework today. All the questions up to 8th. Okay. You do it on your own. First practice it. Look at the YouTube thing and all. First practice it. Okay. I leave the honesty part to you. Okay. Honestly you do. After you practice, you do without looking into the solution. You do on your own. That's the homework part. Send that to me. Okay. All 1 to 8. Exercise 5.5. First question, second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, eighth question. So now you have two choices. Send at least by Sunday. Means you can send before also. Don't send on Monday. If you send on Monday, Monday's class will be cancelled. Okay, if you want to cancel Monday's class, you can send on Monday, no problem. Okay, so send before Monday, that means on Sunday you practice these things. See, the problem is I am not worried about how you will manage in the final board exam. These questions, I think there is a different way to do them. But you will have in between questions by the college, right? CMR will test some other tests, isn't it? Next month or next week or sometime. If they give, I know they have not done differentiation. If they do differentiation and they give questions from this exercise, if you don't practice, you will not be able to do. If you practice these questions, you can't practice at the end. Just before exam, you can't do. It will scare you. Okay. That's the reason I am giving this homework. Alright. So we will stop here today. Okay. So fine, going slow is okay, no problem. But then that every step has to be good step. Okay. So probably we are taking more time today's step. That's fine. You also practice, send a homework. Alright. Okay. So anything more today? I'll stop. Okay. Okay, ma. Right. Bye.